Here at Eastman, we feel like a family. We treat each other like a family. And overall, it's just an amazing experience. It's more than a job, it's the start of a career.
Looks like a great opportunity.
A great opportunity.
I read further into it and I went into Eastman's website and they have a page on the website about the program and it said like no homework, paid training. So I was like, yep, this is definitely something I'm gonna apply for.
When she told me about this opportunity, it looked like a great fun opportunity to change career paths and do something different.
It was the perfect opportunity for me because I'm a single parent and I don't have much time to sacrifice for school.
And I'm getting paid, so I'm working and I'm going to school and bettering my future all in one, which I think is the biggest perk of this program.
Yeah, definitely. I wanted something that was more career oriented. Not to say that being a receptionist isn't somewhere that's going to have, like she said, growth for us to be able to move up in the company and do more things with.
I feel like the dental assistant training program was a little bit challenging at first because at first it's something totally new, totally different, and it's a lot to learn, but your doctors, the teachers that teach you, they do a very good job of taking things slow and easy to making sure that you're understanding everything.
The program was harder than I thought it would be. It definitely had a lot of challenges as far as learning everything, but I feel like there's a lot of help here. I never felt as if I was thrown into something that I wasn't ready for.
So I really like the program. I think it really exceeded my expectations as to what I would be doing and working hands-on with the doctors.
And also be the doctor's right hand, to be very accurate and actively engaged. Came very short of the procedure. After hosing down, I really watch the smile on doctor's face, patient's face. That's making my heart smile.
And you start to experience and see what you were learning on paper and stuff. So it's a really good way of learning because first you do it on paper and then you do it really with your hands, and it's a great way of learning.
I really enjoy being here every day. We learn something new almost every procedure, every single day.
So as an official dental assistant, I do a little bit of everything. Some days I take x-rays, some days I'm in sterilization, cleaning the instruments that the dentists use. Some days I'm assisting the dentist, and honestly, some days I do it all. It's amazing because the way that the daily responsibilities change, you never get bored.
It's also very about making sure the patient is comfortable as well. So that's a really big part of our job as a dental assistant, is making sure the patient is comfortable, because a lot of times the doctors might be focusing on exactly the tooth, so we have to make sure that the patient is comfortable and relaxed and everything during the procedures as well.
I comfort patients' emotions. So I just comfort them, say them at the perfect time, give them the holding hands, say you're doing great, you can do this.
I feel like one of the reasons why I love this job so much, especially working in a community kind of field, is that a lot of these patients will come in with a lot of problems, or some people might come in after drug abuse or different things, and so it makes me feel good knowing that after the procedures, when they're happy and stuff, they're like, oh, thank you so much. It makes me happy knowing that we're doing something good for our patients.
It's always interesting to meet and talk to different patients from different walks of life. And ultimately, it's very satisfying to see the end of their treatment plan and how happy and satisfied they are. It's a huge difference from when they first come and they first start their treatment plan to the end.
Then after all the fear and the pain and, sometimes they're upset, they are so happy that they are out of pain, and it's super rewarding to see them walk out feeling a lot better than how they came in.
Yeah, and I think one of the most rewarding things was a little girl actually gave me a hug after her entire procedure, and her mom looked at me, she was like, she doesn't even give me hugs, and I was like, oh. So it was really nice to feel like I comforted her when she was really nervous and scared while she was at the dentist. And those are probably the most rewarding patients for me, is the one with special needs and that you can communicate with on a different level.
It felt amazing once I finally graduated. It was a sense of accomplishment. It was something that it came quicker than I thought, and it was just an amazing feeling to have accomplished something so major.
Really at the vet hospital that we worked at when we both found out. So we like both ran upstairs. Like I got a call and I went running upstairs, and then she got a call and she went running upstairs. And we're like jumping up and down in the hallway because we were like, we both got it.
And
out
she
of
got
200 people. It's really nice. You meet a lot of new people, you make a lot of new friends, and it's a great opportunity, a great experience.